and welcome back to our channel. So this is the first video of our channel right after NEET and ICR exam. Before starting today's video, let me remind you one thing. This is only for those students who thought to be not so good at your NEET or ICR examination. Nowadays, we can see a lots of channel discussing about those students who are going to score high marks in the examination. But what about the other side? I just want to say only one thing to you guys, that is, a single sheet of paper never decides your future. All aspirants are coming from different situations. For every small things in our life, we have ups and downs. So if you score less marks, it doesn't mean that you are a loser. And when it comes to ICR exam, there are many aspirants who found it very difficult during the corona times. And in NEET too, majority of students found it difficult in physics subject. And when it comes to the day of examination too, many invigilators are not properly trained and some even don't know what are the timings too. This creates a major pressure on aspirants, as many students report that they have received their question booklet 10 or 15 minutes after the commencement of exam. I know that these all factors make you weak, because time management is something which is very important for an exam. But for some other students, they find the exam much difficult. Let me remind you one thing: if you score less, that doesn't mean you are weaker than anyone else. By saying this, I just remember of the great Thomas Alva Edison. But do you know how is his childhood be like? When Edison grew up, his parents did his admission in a school. After a few days, one day when Edison got back home from school and gave a paper to his mother, he said to his mother that his teacher gave this paper to him and asked him just his mother have to open it. And when her mother read the paper, her eyes filled with tears. And when Edison asked what does it says, and she reads the letter, and it returned as, "Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him and doesn't have enough good teachers for training him. Please teach him yourself." And many years later, Edison's mother passed away. And that time, Thomas Edison had become one of the greatest inventors of the century. One day, he was checking his cupboard and found a letter, and it was the same letter that his childhood teacher wrote to his mother. And Edison opened the letter and read it. It was actually written as, "Your son is mentally ill, and we won't let him come to school anymore." This makes Edison cry for hours, and finally, he wrote in his diary that is, Thomas Alva Edison was a mentally ill child, but by a hero mother, he became the genius of the century. Even though his teachers too do not find his capabilities, but later on, with his own ideas, he became one of the most popular inventors of all time. This is what I have to say to you guys. Even though no one can understand you, only you can find out your own capabilities. Believe in yourself. Your limitation is just only your own imagination. Sometimes your family or society might be a problem for you. But remember one thing, it's your life and you have to be the captain of your life. If you think you can score more the next time, you definitely will. Just forget whatever things that make you weak. If you are not satisfied with your marks, study for the next time until you get your dream position. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. This is what I have to say to you. Just relax and follow what your heart says, not the society. So, see you guys on the next video, and that's all. And please do like, share, and subscribe our channels for the more videos. Thank you.